This is the latest edition of the MTN 5G broadband wireless router, and as at May 10th, 2025, when I'm recording this video, this device is extremely scarce. Searching for this device to purchase in both Lagos and Ibadan is like plucking a tooth from the mouth of a dragon. I know that Nollywood and Bollywood can actually make that look very easy. Haha! That was a dry joke. I know. Let's move on.
Danjuma.
Now, just before I go into the pricing of this device, let me unbox it and show you the whole content. The official price of this device on the MTN eShop, the website is showing on the screen right now, is 80,000 naira, but it is currently unavailable whether you want home delivery or store pickup. I don't know why. Probably demand is way higher than supply, or maybe for some other reasons best known to the giants of telecommunications in Nigeria, South Africa and other countries, MTN. I also personally visited 2 MTN shops or offices along Allen, Ikeja to get this device, but I was told it wasn't available. So I had to go the street way. I paid someone to go hustle it out for me, and the person goes around the market and gets me this particular one. And of course, you know the risk and the full responsibility will be on me and me alone if anything should go wrong. But thank goodness, luckily for me, everything was intact, even the Folocom SIM card, which has 100 gig of data which I can use for a month. Thank you for that, MTN. But of course, you should know that in such situation, you can't expect to still get it at 80,000 naira. And yes, it was higher than 100,000 naira. I still didn't complain because I needed it and it wasn't available on MTN eShop and also in the physical offices. So I had to pay a little bit higher to get what I wanted. And again, I also love the fact that mine came as the black color. Okay, just take a look at this smooth charcoal black. Okay, I love the fact that it came in black. Okay, number one is very unique and the white is just too rampant. So this one is actually very unique and also fits in well with the furniture I have in my sitting room. So I love this black actually, for real, more than the white. And you already know the white can get stained, if not with your hands, maybe dust and whatever. But this guy, being charcoal black, will resist more dust and more stain. Okay, not to say that I'm dirty though, but if you're a perfectionist, just try to avoid the white because you may just wake up one day and throw away your router. Now, the only problem or the only issue I'm having right now is the activation of this device, because the NCC, Nigerian Communications Commission, has just implemented a rule that each citizen of Nigeria can only register one SIM card in 1 month. Okay, and it's not been more than a month ever since I registered my last SIM card. I got a SIM card recently for my car tracker and it has not been more than 30 days. So I guess few days from now, I should be able to activate this. I don't want to activate it with a SIM card that I had earlier. I want to activate it with the Folocom SIM so I can get myself the 100 gig and also just leave it how it came and follow the protocol how it came in. You get what I mean? So in a couple of days from today, I should be able to activate it and I will give you Folocom updates on how it's working on both my Netflix or for downloading, uploading and all that. Contained herein are all the content of the MTN 5G wireless router. Okay, yeah, the MTN broadband 5G wireless router. And the first thing is this one, okay, which is the main router itself. Okay, the password, the default password is written under here, which you can still change if you want to. Portable light, and you can see the wireless line where you can connect the wireless line. Wireless line, this is the tail. You can connect telephone line here, the direct cord, okay, and this is the power cord. You can see right here, which you can just connect right here, okay, and then plug in. Okay, now this is the wireless LAN, guys. This is the wireless line. Okay, you can see the wireless LAN. Okay, and you can just plug this. Okay, just plug this in this way. You don't have to remove anything, just plug it in and then you can connect it to maybe your laptop, your TV or wherever. If you want to remove it, press it down a little and you pull it out. Okay, and this is the power bank. Okay, portable light. Okay, and you know, of course, with this guy you need the electricity on for it to work. Okay, 24/7. But with the power bank, you can just plug this and you power it. Okay, yes, you can see it has its own on and off right here. And another good thing is that you can as well charge this power bank with this guy. Okay, look at it right here. You can plug in right here and you can charge it. Okay, you can charge the power bank with it. Okay, now the rest of the things are just this is the SIM card. Okay, yes, with 100 gig Folocom, and the rest are just manual. Okay, and thank you notes. So expect my user experience on this device any moment from now. Until then, guys, see you in my next video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel.